I'm turning 25 this year. I work as a restaurant manager, but I live in Burgaw, North Carolina.
I've been told means mud hole in Cherokee Indian, so you can imagine.
It's a very happening place. You should look it up.
It's always been my dream to create positive change, especially in the lives of children. And I recently met someone that's a social worker, and she was just talking how depressing it is right now, the living situation for foster children, boys and girls homes, and it would be amazing if you could shed some light on that and then create positive change in your community. That would be a really great goal to meet, but I'm really about anything with positive change.
I think that's something that I always liked about Oprah's show. Yes, she would have entertaining guests on sometimes, but every time you watched her, you learned something, and it was very inspiring. So I would love to do something like that.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I hope I get chosen.